In this tutorial video, you will learn to move geometries to another location. The Geometry Move panel opens when the Move button is clicked on the Tools menu. When Select Geometry from the Map option is selected as the geometry usage method in the Open panel, the first geometry to be moved is selected. Then a point is selected on the geometry to be moved, and the point where the geometry will be moved is selected. If the Copy option is activated while moving geometries, the old geometries will remain in the layer. The moving process is completed with the Move Geometries option. When the Select from Existing Layers option is selected as the geometry usage method, the moving process is done over the layer. First layer to be moved is selected. Then a fixed point is selected for the point to be moved. At the end, the point to be moved is marked. The move process is completed with the Move Geometries button. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.